Polygroup was really good. I think it was 3 days for their standard shipping. You do gotta pay for shipping though. The impeller, I was wrong in my last video. I think it was $18, but it comes complete with everything. The last time I did this, you had to buy the individual parts. That ceramic rod. You are going to need to pull that out. And pull that out of there. In the past, the problem, since this is such a strong magnet, watch, it gets very difficult. But look how much play, that chlorine just eats them up. Look at that. See, there's no play in this one, no movement. Like I said before, where I usually had to deal with was these would spin out. They had a rod in there and they'd end up spinning out, and I would have to drill. I'd epoxy them. I'd drill a hole, put a drift pin in it, and epoxy it. And I might even try and epoxy this if I could find. I have no idea where that fin went. It's nowhere to be found. We're going to reinstall. Slide that in there. This goes there, and our 4 screws. Don't over tighten them. Oh, and if you need any new parts right now, baskets, caps, anything, it's all on clearance right now if you need parts for the SFX1500. Get them now before they're gone. Okay, there are 4 screws, number 2 Phillips. I can't put my camera underwater. I'll show you reassembly. I don't even know if this is going to show up. The reflection is terrible. You got to put the 4 screws in by feel. I didn't want to drain the water. Okay guys, there you go. Does anyone else run into this? I love these filters, but ever since they went to those ABs, my filters, the diameter is too big, and I literally, in order to get that strainer on top and keep it there until I can get the motor on, I literally have to put a weight on top of it. But yeah. It's a working. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We have a leak. Great. Well, I'm going to have to address that, and I'll be back in a little bit.